Our colleagues are at the heart of our success. They are the driving force behind our best-in-class customer service and products engineered for quality, style, and function. Whether it's picking and packing in our warehouse, building strong customer relationships, or working on our product range.
No 2 days are the same.
It's a really friendly sort of place to work.
Management are always really approachable and friendly and happy to help.
To thank our colleagues for their commitment, we invest in them by nurturing their talents and ambitions, because we know that our success relies on their development and enthusiasm. When asked about what sets Häfele apart from other businesses, our colleagues often say it's more than just a workplace, it's somewhere everyone can be themselves and belong. But don't just take our word for it.
It's challenging, but it's friendly and it's always exciting.
Every day is a challenge.
I love working for Häfele because of the variety of work we get involved with and the fantastic people I get to work with every day.
They're a very good company, very supportive and a very good training programme.
We work with such a wide variety of customers.
There is always something new happening. I love working for the company because of the people. The people make my day enjoyable. It's fast, it's challenging, but the people make it worthwhile.
We're always on the lookout for new talent to join our business. People who are confident to embrace challenges, thrive when working in a team, and share our passion for wowing our customers.
Can you describe Häfele in 3 words?
Busy, ever-changing, but very rewarding as well.
Caring, friendly and flexible.
Supportive, caring and encouraging.
So join us on our journey to maximise the value of space together. Because at Häfele, we believe that together we can achieve greatness.